today we're outside the Camino Hotel in Mexico City. This is an older property, but I want to show it to you because it's one of the iconic, most memorable hotels. They're known for their pink and yellow colors. It is a big property, so many people have stayed here or will stay here at some point. So let's get started. Hello, my Lulu travelers. So this is a tour of the Camino Hotel in Polanco in Mexico City. This hotel opened in 1968. It has 700 rooms. It is a big hotel, but it's one of the iconic original properties here. You see your bed is nice and comfortable. Nightstand over here, another nightstand on this side. They're known for their purple carpets and their yellow loud color, so you can see that throughout the room. There's one bottle of water, your TV remote. There's a nice desk here with a marble countertop with a standard chair. There's your phone. The view of this room is not quite impressive. There is a lot of trees outside, but it is nice. It is a ground level room. Here's your TV, your mini bar menu. Let me open this for you. Here is a mini bar menu that just says to call, and then they will bring items up to you. There is glasses, 2 tequila glasses right there. And then coming down below, you have your mini bar. Let me open it. Uh-oh, I'm having trouble opening it. Let me see how. Okay, I am having trouble. Oh, you know why? Because you have to ask for a key at the front desk. So that is very unusual. You have to kind of get the key approved from the front desk. Coming over on this side, and I'll show you the bathroom in a second, is your closet, hangers, safety deposit box, ironing board, extra blankets, laundry and laundry service, full-length mirror in the closet. And then lastly, coming over on this side, you have your bathroom. There's a nice rain shower, again, marble throughout, plenty of towels for your comfort. Here's your amenities in the bathroom, molten brown amenities, lots of towels, your hair dryer, single sink, one more bottle of water down here with 2 glasses, and then your toilet. Overall, it is an older property, but it is extremely clean, well maintained, and it has held up over almost 50 or 60 years. Very nice hotel. Enjoy.